Hi everyone, I'm Elza Brunelle-Yeung from the Bombardier Aftermarket team representing for products and services. And I'm here live at eBase in Geneva where we'll be talking to customers about our new SmartLink Plus service as well as our new digital apps. So definitely really happy to be here. SmartLink Plus is Bombardier's aircraft health management system. It's a technology which allows customers to connect to their aircraft from anywhere in the world. And in fact, it's like an intelligent aircraft type of technology. So if you have a smartwatch, for example, you're able to connect to your body, or you have a smartphone, you're able to connect to your home. Well, this is the same thing, but for your business jet. SmartLink Plus has many benefits for our customers. They have access to key insights that normally they wouldn't have access to without the system. These insights allow them to quickly troubleshoot in case of an issue. They could do so while the aircraft is still flying. As well, this saves them a lot of time and resources, and they're able to find ways to optimize their operations. We're very pleased to announce that Bombardier was awarded the 2022 Mercuriade Award in the category of Technological Innovation for the SmartLink Plus program. In fact, the Mercuriade Award competition is a very important one in Quebec, and it was really an honor for us to receive this recognition.